Ooh. Ooh, y'all see that? Ooh. I think it's safe to say I will never be using Cnfans again. As you guys read from the title, I will no longer be using Cnfans to purchase my not so authentic goods from China. What the hell? I'm gonna keep it straightforward and simple. It's something I've been trying to ignore for months now, but I really care for you guys and I really want the best for you. And I think we can all agree that Cnfans shipping has gotten way out of hand. Like, it's bad, like bad. It all started around 6 months ago when I noticed I was paying about 20% more for a 10 kg haul compared to months before. Like, look, I know you need to make a profit to run an operating business, a successful business, but every month it seemed like the dollar just grew larger. Every month the shipping price would go up, 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 up. It just, the number didn't stop growing. And if you use Cnfans, you definitely noticed it. Because of this, I literally took a 4-week break. First to take a break, and second, I literally did intensive research on what agent I should go to next, because I've been using Cnfans for literally 2 years of my life. I was one of the first ever creators to post a video about Cnfans. I posted before stuff happened with Panda Bear Buy. But yeah, I've trusted Cnfans literally for 2 years now. But golly, the shipping prices. Why you gotta put us in this situation, Cnfans? So yeah, I spent like 3 weeks researching what the best agent will be for the best bang of your buck, or whatever, how do you say it? I've compared stuff like shipping pricing. I've compared stuff like interviewing actual people who ordered from the website and their experience. I've researched the processing time. I researched the warehouse location. I researched the amount of workers. I researched the domestic shipping time. I researched the international shipping time. I researched the QC pictures, how high quality they are. I researched their support system, you know, if you want to refund an order or something. I researched payment methods. I've researched over 10 things about each agent, about 10 agents. Just to name a few: LitBuy, CacoBuy, ACBuy, LoveGoBuy, SeafoodBuy, SuperBuy, SugarGoo. There's so many agents. So many. Give me talking about that. So many agents. But after all those interviews, I came to a conclusion, as you may, have guessed. With cheap shipping, incredibly fast processing times, great customer service, many payment methods, high quality QC pictures, multiple warehouses, and been in the space for over 2 years now, I now want to introduce you to Oopbuy. So once I decided that Oopbuy was the best fit, I reached out to them and asked them if they could provide you guys with some coupons. And unexpectedly, they gave you the best coupon I've ever seen. Exclusively, if you sign up with my link to Oopbuy, if you're new to Oopbuy, sign up with my link, or make an alt account, sign up with the link, you get 30% off your shipping. 30% off. You order $200 worth of stuff, boom. So it's now worth $140. You have a $100 haul, now we're $70. And let's get to the fact that a 10 kg is like $100 now on Oopbuy. Tell me why I ordered a 10 kg haul on Cnfans. It cost me $350. And then I had to pay tariffs on top of that because it wasn't tax free. Now, some of you may know about the Cnfans to Oopbuy switch if you're in my Discord. By the way, it's discord.gg/Cnfans, even though Cnfans in the past, but I'm still gonna keep it Discord. I'm still gonna keep it that name because it's easy to remember and stuff, and I don't know, I think it's kind of rare. But yeah, join my Discord if you haven't already. Lots of giveaways, literally every week giveaways, hundreds of dollars every week. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. A new era begins. Don't forget to grab your coupons, the first link in the description, and I'll catch you guys later in a new video. Probably a Oopbuy tutorial, Oopbuy comparison, or Oopbuy haul, one of those three. But yeah, I'll see y'all later.